All right, so we've got your headstone lamp here. So let's bust it up and do what we got to do to make it happen. So first of all, you can see we have a layer, a group. We don't like groups. So let's go ahead and right click and ungroup. Now we just created a whole bunch more groups. So we don't want that. So we're going to ungroup that. And you can see we have a billion more groups. So we're going to ungroup those. And you can see we still have a billion, 1.5 million, 250,000, something like that. So we'll ungroup all of that. And now you can see we no longer have groups. So we are on a good course of action here. So then what I want to do is let's do this. What is loving? What do we got going on here? Ooh, see there? Can't have that. That is definitely something you want to look for when you're converting your lamps, because we cannot have that. So, and we got tons of it everywhere. So we cannot have strokes. So you select everything, Shift, Red X. Now we have no strokes. We come in here, you'll see in loving memory of Mama, you got nothing. You got no red strokes now. So let's go ahead and take Mom. What we want to do is essentially combine everything that we may want to make different thicknesses. So Mom, we might want to pow, right? So let's go ahead and just Control plus those, okay? And then we will change the color back to Mom. And then I like to turn it off. When I'm done, goodbye, all right? So then we have in loving memory of, we have this big black thing. I want to look at that. And I want to look at this. Okay. So this gray shape. Let me look at that. I don't know exactly how you plan to put this lamp together. So I see what you were talking about. So I'm just turning off certain things here. But I did see where you were talking about you had the wings behind the lamp. So I'm not going to clip your wings here because, like I said, I don't really know exactly what your thought process is here. But we'll take the Forever Mist. Okay, we'll take that. So we'll just come in here. I'm just going to grab my Alt tool, Alt click tool. I'm not sure what's happening there. Why is that not selecting? Let's just go this way. There we go. So there's 4 pieces there. So we'll go ahead and hit Control plus there. They're now all one. We'll go ahead and put it back to white. Okay, that's gone. And then we have just this big block. So I guess we'll just have that big block. And then we have this in loving memory of. Okay. That we can add to our selection. Know exactly how do we want to make that selection. Let's go back and let's just try to do that number right there. Got a bunch of pieces, good. And then we'll just keep going here. Let's do this. We just got to cross through all of that. Good. We'll Control plus that too. What we got going on here? Didn't like that. Let's see here. Why is it not selecting those? I'm not really sure, but that's okay. Control plus. And then finally, we've got this one little straggler. Control plus. And now all those are one, but they should be white. So let's go ahead and change this to in loving memory. Okay. So we'll go ahead and turn that off. And then let's look at what we got left here. We've got this big piece. So that's beautiful. Back plate for wings. Okay. So we'll go ahead and turn that off. Okay. So that takes care of that. And then finally, we're going to go ahead and select all of these pieces. like so. So we'll just select one, select same fill. Okay, so that's a bunch of them. It should be everything that's left, which it basically is. Okay, so Control plus. And yes, those should be white. Okay, so now this will be our wings. And then we'll just go through and start naming everything. So what is this? Gray backer. Let's just call it gray backer. Okay, and then yeah, we'll turn on our back plate for our wings. And then what is this? We'll call it our black backer. Okay. And then what do we got next? We'll call it the white plaque. I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. And then that is our forever mist. In loving memory, we got that. And then finally, Momsy. I'm going to call that Momsy. Look, M-O-M-Z. Momsy. Okay? There we go. We'll turn that on. I'd probably make this bigger. Why not? Why have it so tiny? You got all that space for what? And this should be centered. And it's not. And that, my friends, will absolutely get to me if we don't center that up. So we are going to take that piece and this piece, and yes, we'll go to the old align and distribute here, and based on the last selected, we're going to center those up. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay, that's it, folks. Let's go ahead and file, save as, save it to our desktop, and this is called what? Headstone with wing outline for Inkscape. There we go. Let's cancel that. Let's cancel that. Let's go with, what do we want to do? Kevin Headstone Lamp SVG. Pow. Okay. There you go. So that's all cleaned up. She's ready to go. You ain't going to have no time, no problem whatsoever converting that, but that's the right way to do it. Okay. So pretty simple stuff. So hopefully that will help you out in the next go round.